Hello and welcome to the Harriet Muller Art channel, giving you the techniques to produce amazing artwork. Today I've had a request from somebody who wanted me to draw a falcon for their dad. So that's what we're going to be doing today. Remember, if you have any requests at all, just pop them below in the comment section and I'll see what I can do. Also remember, if you like drawing animals, don't forget to download my free PDF of how to draw a horse galloping, which you'll find just up here. So, in order to produce this drawing of a falcon, get yourself some paper, a pencil, an eraser and a black pen. Let's get started. So I'm going to start off lightly in pencil towards the top of the page, just with a simple oval shape. Just like that. Doesn't have to be perfect. There we go. And we're going to start the body. So bring it round. Kind of a shape a bit like this, a curved line coming down, and then a curved line coming round like this. Just like that. Then we're going to draw the wing on the other side, just poking out. Sometimes I find it easier just to use a series of lots of wispy lines to draw instead of just one fixed line. It depends what kind of mood I'm in, really. So anyway, let's do this wing. Comes all the way down like that. And then the other side of it. Joins it like that. And then the underneath side comes up like that, and then we've got the other part just sticking out behind there, just like that. And we're going to add some stick legs, so 1, 2, 3, and then the other one, and then the falcon's going to be perched on something, either a rock or some wood, just here. And then last but not least, we've got to pencil in where the beak's going to be. So it's going to be roughly about here. So just pencil it in where it's going to be, and the eye. That's stage 1. Okay, so this next section I'm actually going to do in pen, but please carry on in pencil. I'm just showing you in pen just to speed up the process a little bit. So we're going to start off with the hooked beak. The hook beak comes around like this. Bring it round. And then the underside of the beak. And then comes in like that with the nostril here. Just like so. And then we're going to draw the head. Which comes round like so. And then we're just going to draw kind of a jagged line coming all the way down, just to show that there are quite a few feathers. I'm not drawing a straight line. All the way down. All the way down like that. I'm just going to perfect the shape of the head a little bit. It's a bit hard in pen because I can't go back and rub it out. But there it is. Okay, so we're going to do the wing on the other side, just like that. We're going to do the leg next, so that has lots of feathers on the underside, so just draw some feathers coming down like that, just like that, and then draw them coming around, just like that. Okay, so we're going to do the foot here. So there we have the toes. Just like so. And then of course the claws at the end, or the talons, beg your pardon. Draw the talons on them, just like that. And then the other leg is just round the back, and thankfully that leg is slightly hidden, so we don't really have to worry about that one. That's always a big bonus. Okay, so just draw in this piece of wood it's attached to. There we go. So next of all, we're going to do the neck. That comes round, comes in a bit, and then pops out a little bit, and then comes all the way around where we draw the back of the wing, just like that. Okay, now we're going to do the same wing, but the top of it here. Bring it all the way around, all the way down, just like that. Okay, so we're going to do the underside. So just draw a few little feathery lines underneath there. And then attached to that, there's going to be some long feathers. So get ready to draw some long feathers. Just like that. There's quite a few of these. Like that. Another one there. And then the last one. Just like that. And then don't forget to do this part here. So this comes round like that. Comes in. Just like that. So we need to give the impression of feathers without drawing all of them. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to do a series of U shapes, just like this, in a line. And then they're going to get slightly bigger as I go all the way down. Slightly longer. Longer still. And then longer still, till they get to about here. And then they're going to get really long, so they just go all the way down. There we go. So I'm just going to rub out all the pencil marks so we can see where we are. So that's much better now, we can see what we're doing. Okie dokie. So next we're going to be doing the eye. So falcons have rather large eyes in comparison to, say, an eagle. They have small little beady eyes. So we're just going to put in the eye. Like that. Leave a little part just showing where the light hits it. And then goes up like that. And then it comes around like so. So that's our finished falcon. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And also, if you have any comments how you found the tutorial, please leave me a comment in the section below. Or if you've got any requests, also let me know. Keep drawing. I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.